We were sent this YJHome expandable organizer. And honestly, this has made such a big difference in our bathrooms. Here's everything you're going to get inside the box. I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out for you and show you a really quick assembly. Right out of the box, the setup is way easier than you're probably going to expect. It's sturdy. These are almost like metal, heavy duty. It's not the cheap plastic. The pieces slide together smoothly and the rails glide like a real drawer. No sticking, no wobbling. That was my biggest worry because I bought organizers before that felt flimsy the moment I touched them. This one is the opposite. You want one that's sturdy, especially if you're going to be filling it with your items that you want stored and you're going to be pulling it out of the cabinet every so often. I love that the height is adjustable so you can make it work around pipes or tall bottles without wasting space. And the drawer pull-out is a game changer. Instead of reaching all the way to the back and knocking everything over in the process, you just slide it out and everything is right there. I use mine for cleaning supplies, bathroom, toiletries, you name it. But honestly, it would work in any room. Bathroom, pantry, laundry room, anywhere you've got a cluttered cabinet. It looks more expensive than it is, and it's actually strong enough to hold heavier items without bending, which is a huge plus. If you're trying to get a little bit more organized without doing a full cabinet makeover, this is such an easy upgrade. It's one of those products you install once and immediately wonder why you didn't get it sooner. You're going to have two different options to install. Here I'm showing you the strips. These are the sticky tabs. This is one way. It'll also come with the screws and anchors for you to actually screw it into the bottom of your cabinet. As you can tell here, this bathroom cabinet was a mess. We needed something that was able to slide right out. Make sure you leave enough room through the doorway so that this shelf can easily slide in and out without hitting the door. This made such a difference, you guys.